Once again, Jolly B. Very good. And then our fourth agreement is that when I say B, you roll your hand. B, happy. Smile.
You look at Ate Angeline. Ganun ate. Sige. B. Happy. Look at ate. Si ate, ganyan. Oh, ready ha? B. Happy. Very good. Galing. You smile when you say happy. Kasi masaya. Ready? Once again. B. Happy. Very good. And then our fifth agreement, when I say, sa Jollibee Bida ang saya, you clap your hands, you say, yay! Everybody! Sa Jollibee Bida ang saya! Yay! Once again, let's go back to the first agreement up to the last. Ready? What's the first agreement? Wala mo kabalo? Hi! Hello! Hello! Jolly! Be happy! And then, the Jollibee Bida ang saya! Yay! Once again, the Jollibee Bida ang saya!
Yay! Very good. Ang galing ng mga kids. So now, kids, go back.